Procure Review 2025. Is it worth it? Procure in 2025 is not just a construction management tools, it's a full ecosystem engineered for end-to-end collaboration, cost control, and real-time decision-making on the job site. And if you are still juggling spreadsheets, paper blueprints, and disconnected apps across teams, Procure is the system that aims to centralize everything from pre-construction through the handover. And it shows because with its latest updates, including a fully revamped UI, predictive budgeting powered by machine learning, and deep integrations with BIM, ERPs like Sage 300 and Viewpoints, plus hundreds of third-party platforms through its open API, Procure is now at the point where small to mid contractors and billion-dollar GCs alike are using it to stay compliant, stay connected, and eliminate rework across complex, multi-phased projects. You begin with the Project Home dashboard, which gives your team a high-level snapshot of RFIs, drawings, submittals, weather updates, and punch lists. And from there, you drill into specific modules like project financials, where Procure now uses forecasting AI to flag potential cost overruns weeks because they occur based on live field data and historical vendors' performance or quality and safety, where you can now automatically assign safety inspections, upload incident photos from mobile, and generates OSHA ready reports within minutes. Documents management has also evolved. Now, you can mark up blueprints directly on mobile, sync updates instantly to every device on the field, and tag issues to responsible teams so they don't confusing about changes. Meanwhile, subcontractors have their own limited access portals so they can submit daily log signs, digital change orders, or track payments schedules without assessing sensitive GC level data. If you're wondering about learning curve, yes, Procure is deep, but the 2025 rollout introduced adaptive onboarding flows, built-in video tutorials, and AI chat support inside every module, meaning even first-time users can get productive days. One standard feature this year is Procure Analytics, which now supports natural language queries, so a PM can ask which subcontractor caused the most delays last quarter, or what trades are trending over budget this month, and get visual dashboards updated in real time. Mobile users benefits too. The iOS and Android apps are more stable than ever, with offline sync, push notifications, and integrated time tracking that ties into payroll systems. One major involved 2025 is also ability to integrate drone and 360-degree site capture with your Procure projects. So, you can visually compare as-built conditions week to week, flag deviations, or conduct remote walkthroughs for clients and stakeholders. But here's the reality. Procure isn't cheap, and it's not for companies who aren't ready to change process. Licensing is tiered. Implementation can take months depending on how configure it, and you need someone in-house to champion, roll out, and ensure adoption sticks. That said, for organizations who are tired of miscommunication, paper trails, and missed change orders and cost blowouts, Procure pays for itself in time saved and rework prevented. Its customizable reports, powerful audit logs, and compliance tracking also make it a dream for firms navigating government contracts or strict owner reporting standards. And while most platforms tend to shine in one or two areas, Procure's strength in 2025 lies in how seamlessly it connects every piece of your construction puzzle, from project bidding and subcontractor pre-qualifications to RFIs, change events, pay ups, scheduling, quality, and even warranty closeout. Let's take scheduling for example. In previous years, this was often cited as a weakness, but with the 2025 update, Procure's scheduling module now integrates natively with Primavera P6, Microsoft Project, and even allows on-platform edits and custom Gantt views. So, teams in office and on-site can finally align without switching tools. The most underrated feature, however, may be Procure's action plans. You can now build standardized workflows for inspection, safety checks, or QA or QC process. Assign them to specific rule, track completion in real time, and use the data to power continuous improvements. Procure's learning paths and certification programs now come bundled with role-based curriculums, helping superintendents, project engineers, and financial admins each get up to speed on the modules they actually use. But one thing to keep in mind, the power of Procure depends heavily on how your team configures and adapt it. Without proper implementation strategy, setting up permission levels, building out templates, training superiors, teams may utilize the platform's most valuable features. That's why many companies opt for phased rollouts, beginning with core modules like daily lags, RFIs, and submittals before expanding into project financials or field productivity. So, if you're in the construction space and wondering whether Procure is worth the investment in 2025, the answer really depends on your ambitions. If you want to run lean, deliver project fast, attract more institutional clients, and create a culture of accountability and transparency across your job sites, then yes, Procure isn't just worth it, it's essential. So that's it.